these civilians had been killed in cold blood with automatic weapons such as AK-47.
Here they segregated Hindus and Muslims and killed Hindu men.
And they are telling कि जाके मोदी को बोल दो जो कर सकता है कर ले. We will go after them. वो जमीन में हो, आसमान में हो, पाताल में हो, जहाँ भी. We will not forgive.
Prime Minister told me that we should call it Operation Sindoor.
So the Prime Minister said, वहाँ से गोली, यहाँ से गोला.
Prime Minister returned. Foreign Secretary had come to receive him. Then at the airport itself, we had a meeting. First, he wanted to know all the facts. And then his first question to me is, who has done it? Who is responsible? We should be very clear who the perpetrators are. I want it immediately. Thanks to our intelligence agencies, I think they did a brilliant job. And within a very short time, we were able to arrive at the conclusion.
We homed on to the 9 targets. There were 5 targets in POJK and 4 targets in Pakistan.
Time has come, time to deliver. Take a deep breath, have confidence that all preparations we have done is best and nothing more is to be done. And this is the time to prove yourself, prove your capability.
And like clockwork precision, the commencement of Operation Sindoor started at 0105.
We wanted Pakistan Army to realize that this support to terrorism or the ability to take effective action against the terrorists is something which is not tolerable to us.
The next 2 to 3 hours was grueling battle. The artillery opened, the mortars opened, the infantry posts opened.
Because the pressure on Pak post was so heavy, he had to resort to targeting my civilians, targeting the religious infrastructure.
So it was really sad that when we hit terror, they hit civilians.
Once anything starts, we are willing to go as far as it is necessary for a nation to preserve its sovereignty, and there is no limits on that. We fight till the last drop of the blood.
That was the signal for India to launch its final retaliatory attack. The full responsibility was given to the Air Force. they had selected 11 Pakistani airfields for the attacks.
After the second wave of attack, probably they got the message that things are getting more serious, and they had no response to the kind of targeting that we are doing.
Message to the world is very clear. India's generosity or India's being more tolerant should not be mistaken for its weakness. His intention is the fight against terror will only be over till the last terrorist is eliminated.